when we're all children at this time of year, and we all believe and sing songs of good cheer, and somehow it's easy to see with clear sight and help those in need and do what is right. The magic of Christmas is the child in our heart that wants to believe that dreams can be real. The magic of Christmas is the child in our hearts that just wants to touch, but the child will always feel. So when we're all children this time every year, and we smile and we laugh and sing songs of good cheer, the dreams of the child are living and true. The magic of Christmas is the child in me and you. The magic of Christmas is the child in me.